Today I have something exciting for you, a fantastic way to make money online and earn money instantly. Make $120 per test. Hey besties, in today's video I'll be sharing with you how you can make money online. Make $120 per test. Yes, so if you're new to this channel, introduce yourselves. Yes, so today I have something exciting for you, a fantastic way to make money online and earn money instantly. So if you're wondering what user testing is and how you can get started, you're in the right place. Stick around and I will walk you through the ins and outs of this lucrative opportunity. Yes, so if you're new, I want to know you. I want to meet you. What is your name? What do you do for a living? Where are you watching from? How did you find my video? Who sent it to you? Let me know in the comments. And if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time as well, let me also go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Mariam A, based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share, it's all about how to make money. You can't be a member of this channel and still be broke this year. It's not possible. It's not possible. Yes. So go ahead and introduce yourselves, and to all of my returning subscribers, hello day. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you real good. Thank you for all that you do. I see you and I appreciate every single. I know you guys though, those of you that are coming back. Yes, if this is not your first time, don't make it your last. If this is not your first time, I know all of you. I see you, you see me. Thank you. Yes, so let's get right into today's business. Come with me, guys. Let's go. Let's go. I'm sure you're wondering, what is user testing? What exactly is user testing? Guess what? It is a process where individuals like you and me provide feedback on websites, apps, or products to help companies improve user experience. Your opinion matters, and companies are willing to pay for it. Some third-party vendors offer user testing services. So usertesting.com is one of such platforms. Yes, it's a usable customer experience testing platform that gets on-demand feedback about a product or service from its target market, through which the companies can protect their brand and eliminate bad user experiences. Yes, the website is usertesting.com. This service can be used by marketers, UX and usability professionals, executives, e-commerce managers, products managers, entrepreneurs, game developers, search engine experts, mobile app developers, designers, and to get their products tested from real users, to acquire feedback and to remove issues from the product before its final launch. And in case you're wondering, how does user testing work? All over the world, they work with several companies that want to hear your honest opinion, your honest feedback from real users regarding what they think about their digital products. So as a user tester, on usertesting.com, you will help companies in creating a better digital experience by telling them what you think would work best on their website or their app, what could be better and why you feel that way. You can also make money doing that. So for the companies, as an organization, you can go to their website and request a trial of their testing services. You need to fill up a form including details about your business, use case, name, contact information, work email, company name, number of employees, and country. If you find their services useful, you can also engage them for user testing on your website or your web app. Depending on the business case, they help you as a company target the right customers from whom useful feedback can be obtained and insight about the user experience can be discovered. So after getting feedback on the user experience and receiving answers to critical product development questions, you can then share your learnings across the organization. Now, this website has been in existence since 2007, usertesting.com. And as a business organization, you can consider it a good choice if you're looking for a user testing tool. The user satisfaction of this tool is quite high, and it has a good number of positive social media mentions. Here is how to get started. So now let's talk about how to get started. There are several user testing platforms out there, and I'm going to be introducing you to each of them as I discover them. So as for usertesting.com, simply sign up, create a profile, and start looking for available tests. So go to usertesting.com and start to cash out. Yes, then click on sign in or sign up, and then click on get paid to test. Then go ahead and enter your email address and then get started. Yes, so now as for qualifications and requirements, before you start making money, raking in that cash, keep in mind that some tests may have specific qualifications. Some companies may look for users with particular demographics or even interests. So make sure that you fill out your profile accurately to increase your chances of qualifying for more tests. Yeah, and the next thing is to take a user test. Yes, now that you have qualified for a test, congratulations. So when taking the test, it's essential to provide honest and detailed feedback, because companies want to know what works for them and what doesn't work from a user's perspective. Remember, your insights are valuable, and then guess what? You get paid. Yes, there's payments and rewards. Let's talk about the exciting part. Yes, so which is getting paid. So for a lot of users, for most user testing platforms, they compensate users through PayPal or gift cards. For the PayPal, transfer it to your bank account and you withdraw the cash. You know, the pay actually varies, but it's a great way to earn some extra cash or even gifts for your favorite stores. Yes, gift cards for your favorite stores. Yes, and there you have it, guys. An online introduction to making money through user testing. It's fun, yeah. It's easy and it's rewarding. It's a rewarding way to share your thoughts while putting some extra money in your pockets. If you've enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video for more awesome content, and leave any questions or comments down below. Happy testing and happy learning. So guys, did I remember to mention that there's a giveaway? Yes, so now that you have watched the video up till this point, there is a giveaway for you guys. Here is what you need to do. We have launched our Telegram community. All you need to do is add your friends, 50 of your friends. Here is how to get that done. Go ahead and add 500 friends. That's a way to, I'm just giving you a strategy that works. You know, go ahead and add 500 of your friends or 1,000 of your friends to my Telegram channel. At least 10% of them would join. But if you send it to just 50 people, sorry, maybe 5 people would join. And that is something that has happened to a lot of people. They've not, been able to, some people have not been able to qualify for my $100 cash gift. And I'll send it to you through PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, Western Union, anywhere in the world. So send it to 500 of your friends. Don't just dump my link with them. Tell them why they should join the Telegram community. Tell them it's going to be a valuable resource. Tell them I help with, how to make money online as well as grants. Yes, go ahead and share this link with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about these amazing opportunities that I'm sharing. So yes, when you're done doing that, come back to this video. Let me know how many people you have been able to add, to my Telegram community. I'm going to verify, and then I will ask for your email address and your details to verify you, and then I'm gonna send you the cash live and direct anywhere in the world. I'm gonna credit you with $100 cash gifts, and that is it, guys, for today. It is super easy to make money online these days. Like I always say, money is everywhere. You need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will not be broke again. That is it for today. If you have any questions for me, let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. So that's it, guys, for today. If you have any question, let me know. And to all of my Patreon members, I want to say thank you. Thank you. I don't know what I've done to deserve your love, but thank you. You guys are just too much. Thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you real good. So yes, if you would like to join my Patreon community, find the link in the description as well as in the comments. Part of the perks of joining my Patreon community means you get a free one-on-one consultation with me. We can discuss all things grants, business, money, and everything in between. And that is it for today, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. And yes, there are no stupid questions on this channel. This is not just my channel, this is your channel, it is our channel. Feel free to ask your questions. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. And that is it, guys, for today. Take care of yourselves, and in case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you are amazing, you're sweet, you're gorgeous, and I am super duper proud of you. All right, guys, take care of yourselves and good express. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.